Parallels is good, but there comes a time where we need to check for an alternative. One of the best alternatives, and maybe even better in some cases, is called Crossover. Crossover is that one emulator that has DirectX 12 capabilities and also doesn't require a Windows GUI, which means it saves a lot more space than your traditional Windows 11 installation that consumes almost 20 gig plus initially on Parallels. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to work around it. Note, we are going to do it the unconventional way. Yeah, which means this website right now is just a decoy. This is our file right here. And then we double click. And then we are optimizing the process, okay? Optimizing the process. Double click on this, open Gatekeeper, hit enter, and now process completed. You can close that. Okay, now launch this one more time. And then click manual install, and then double click this, and then drag it to the applications folder. After it has dragged, open extra, open whatever that folder is, and then open this with terminal. Type in your password even if you can't see it and hit enter. Process completed. It can't be that easy. Let's see if everything is up on track. Okay, there it is. Looks like it's exactly what we expected. Everything is definitely right on track. As you can see, we can install something like Steam. Yeah, by the way, this is Crossover version 26.1. Where is it? Yep, 26.1. And this is iHardy talking. And subscribe to the channel if this was useful to you. You can also share the video to your Steam loving friends. I'll see you guys around. iHardy out.